What is the main ingredient in hummus? Chickpeas, lentils, kidney beans.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Chickpeas. Which vegetable is high in potassium and dietary fiber? Spinach, sweet potato, celery.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Celery. What vegetable is used to make kimchi, a traditional Korean dish? Cucumber, bell pepper, cabbage.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cabbage. What is the main ingredient in ratatouille, a French dish? Zucchini, eggplant, bell pepper.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Eggplant. Which vegetable is commonly used in Italian cuisine to make caprese salad? Cucumber, tomato, lettuce.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tomato. What vegetable is commonly used to make sauerkraut? Carrot, cabbage, cauliflower.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cabbage. What is the main ingredient in aloo gobi, a popular Indian dish? Cauliflower, potato, spinach.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cauliflower. Which vegetable is commonly used to make coleslaw? Cabbage, carrot, radish.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cabbage. What vegetable is known for its high beta-carotene content? Carrot, beetroot, radish.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Carrot. Which vegetable is commonly used to make gazpacho, a Spanish cold soup? Cucumber, tomato, carrot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tomato. What vegetable is used to make baba ganoush, a Middle Eastern dip? Zucchini, eggplant, bell pepper.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Eggplant. Which vegetable is known for its high iron content? Spinach, kale, Swiss chard.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Spinach. What vegetable is commonly used to make vegetable stock? Onion, celery, potato.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Celery. What type of vegetable is a radish? Root vegetable, leafy green, stem vegetable.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Root vegetable. Which vegetable is also known as lady's finger? Eggplant, okra, squash.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okra. What vegetable is used to make a traditional Greek salad? Tomato, cucumber, lettuce.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tomato. Which vegetable is commonly used to make salsa? Onion, tomato, cilantro.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tomato. Which vegetable is commonly used to make pickles? Cucumber, zucchini, eggplant.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cucumber. What vegetable is used to make guacamole? Avocado, carrot, potato.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Avocado. Which vegetable is a good source of vitamin K? Cauliflower, broccoli, asparagus.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Broccoli. What vegetable is used to make baba ganoush? Zucchini, eggplant, bell pepper.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Eggplant. What vegetable is used to make gazpacho? Cucumber, tomato, carrot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tomato. 1. What color are ripe eggplants? Red, purple, green.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Purple.